Before replacing the needle, you must determine the type and number of the needle that is used in your sewing machine. Look, shaft of these needles not have a flat side. Such type of sewing machine needles is used for industrial sewing machine only. Needles of home sewing machine have shaft with flat side. In addition, sewing machine needles have different thickness, needle number. They may differ in needle length and shaft thickness. They may have different shape of needle point also. You can remove the presser foot to make it easier for you to change the needle. Now you need to loosen the needle clamping. Turn out this screw, not completely. Sometimes to do this requires a flat screwdriver of medium size, which is in the set of tools of your sewing machine. Now you can pull out the needle with easy. The flat side of the needle shaft should face the sewing machine, round surface to you. Note, the older models of sewing machines, such as Singer, have another position a needle. Another sign of a properly installed needle is front groove. It should be in that position with respect to you. Insert flat screwdriver into the slit of screw and turn out to right to tighten needle mount. Tightening will prevent the needle from falling out and causing harm to you and the sewing machine. The main sign that the needle of the sewing machine needs to be changed is the appearance of def knocks during operation. The blunt needle tip no cuts a fabric but breaks it. It is the reason for occurrence such the sounds.